this is not the new advisory. So what has happened? So this is the standard treatment guidelines which were released for adult population and children separately. So they were there in the like a second wave also. So these are the treatment guidelines and advisory which were there earlier. These have been updated. What government has done? So this mask mandate is also the very same which was there. So Indian government say, and in the past also, this is not for this wave. I have been speaking on various webinars about this, that children younger than 5 years do not need to wear mask. That was the advisory from the very beginning. Children between the age of 5 years to 12 years may wear mask, which means like as much as possible. So mask mandate for children is very different from adults, and this is very relevant for schools. That a child is in preschool or school, like preschool, of course, under 5, mask is not required. They are at low risk, and for them, mask wearing can reduce their breathing capacity. For 5 to 12 also, children need not to wear mask all the time. They are not like adults. If they remove mask, it's all right. For 12 year and older, children need to wear, or the adults need to wear mask, similar to the adults. Now, this advisory is an update of the previous advisory. The idea of these advisory that is mainly for the guiding treating physicians or clinicians. The advisory also say, if some of you are reading those newspaper headlines, that children like asymptomatic or mild children do not require any antibiotics or any antiviral, because the reason is that many of the prescribers or doctors start prescribing the treatment for both for adults and children. So the idea of advisory to avoid excessive medication or unnecessary medication in case children develop some infection or other thing, but it is not linked to the severity of disease. It's very clear. So this is advisory old and guidance is clear. Even WHO say that mask need not to be worn for younger than 5 years. Though in India, some of the pediatrician and pediatric body, Indian Academy of Pediatrics say that children between older than 2 can wear mask, but WHO and government of India said no need to wear mask before 5 years of age.